Cuddly, welcome to my Cuddly Stitches Craft channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you an easy way how to crochet amigurumi with eyelash yarn. For those of you who don't know what eyelash yarn is, this is what it looks like, and it can be quite tricky to work with because of the eyelashes that are attached to the yarn in the middle. And they really make it difficult to see your stitches or to even count them. I use this yarn to crochet my hedgehog, but to also add some nice touches to my other toys, like the detail on the legs and arms of this fox, or the fluff on the neck of this spider. Okay, so let me show you a simple way of working with this yarn. The main difference is that instead of crocheting your toy with the eyelash yarn, you will crochet the toy with a standard yarn first, and then you will attach the eyelash yarn to it. So let me show you what I mean. I have my animal head here, and this is the face in cream color, and the head is not finished yet, but I would like the rest of the head to be made with the eyelash yarn. But instead of making it with eyelash yarn, I made it with my standard yarn and crocheted into the back loops only. So I'm now left with the front loops showing just like you can see here. And this is the first row, but you can see that all the other rows are front loops as well. The second stage of this method is to single crochet the eyelash yarn to the front loops in each row, which means the rest of the head will be completely covered by the eyelash yarn. So I'm now going to show you how to do that. First, make a slip knot on your hook with the eyelash yarn. Grab the head and then insert your hook into the first front loop and single crochet. So insert your hook. I need to tighten my slip knot a bit. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through again. I like to pull the yarn up a bit just so I can pull the eyelashes out of the loop completely, and then I tighten the yarn again. So you will then insert your hook into the next front loop and will single crochet again. So yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through again. The next stitch is the same, so you will insert your hook into the front loop and will single crochet again. And you will basically continue this way all the way around. So I will show you a few more stitches and then we'll fast forward to the end of this round. But as you can see, this way it's so much easier to work with the eyelash yarn, as you are not struggling to see your stitches and you don't have to count them either. And I forgot to say that I'm using the same size hook I used for crocheting the head with the standard yarn, but if you are having a trouble pulling the eyelash yarn through the loops or it's getting stuck, then try a hook which is half a size bigger, because that normally does the trick. Okay, so just a few more stitches and then I will fast forward to the end of the round. Okay, so I have finished my first round, and now I will just show you a few more stitches in the next round. So move the yarn tail out of the way, and then insert your hook into the first front loop of the next round and single crochet again. So move the eyelashes out of the way so you can see the front loops. Insert your hook, yarn over and pull through, and yarn over and pull through again. And I'll just repeat this for the next few stitches. Okay, so here we are. As you can see, the eyelash yarn is starting to look pretty good. The stitches in the rows are pretty close to each other, so you can barely see the gap between the rows. And all there is left to do is to continue to single crochet in rows all the way around to cover the rest of the amigurumi piece. I'll show you my hedgehog again so you can see how nice and fluffy the eyelash yarn looks when your piece is finished. If you would like to crochet the hedgehog, then you can find a link to the free pattern in the description below as well. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe and bell button to receive an update when I add a new video. Thank you for watching.